Hello everyone, and welcome back to my YouTube channel, The Watch Collector, where we explore the world of fine watches. And today we are unboxing and reviewing the Rolex Datejust reference 16013. So let's go ahead and begin the unboxing. So first things first, let's begin with the documentation. Here is the guarantee card or the certificate of guarantee. Next, you get a leather travel wallet with the original Rolex color and symbol embossed on it. Then you have the Rolex information booklet, which has some beautiful pictures and great information about the history and heritage of Rolex. And lastly, we have the Rolex user manual for the watch, which tells us how to operate the watch. And finally, here is the box. The Datejust collection was first introduced by Rolex in 1945, but the 16013 model was released in the early 1980s, brought its own touch of luxury. Inside the box, we have another green box, which represents the Rolex original green color. So without any further ado, let's see how the watch looks. So here it is, guys. We have the stunning Rolex Datejust 16013 in its original two-tone yellow rollser construction, a blend of stainless steel and 18-karat yellow gold, which has become one of Rolex's signature looks. In the pre-owned market, a Rolex Datejust 16013 typically ranges from around $5,000 to $10,000, depending on the condition, dial rarity, and additional factors like original box and papers. The demand for models with rare dials, such as linen or tapestry dials, often commands a premium price. The fluted bezel in 18-karat yellow gold is a standout feature here. It adds a level of elegance, enhancing the aesthetic of the watch while staying true to the iconic Datejust design. These intricate grooves cast the light beautifully, giving the Datejust an unmistakable shine and sophistication. Now let's talk about the specs of the watch. The case size is 36mm and the face is sapphire crystal on this watch. One of the unique features of the Datejust 16013 is its versatility. The watch has this beautiful 5-piece link Jubilee bracelet, which is not only comfortable but also suits any occasion, from formal events to everyday wear. The clasp on the watch is Rolex's original deployment folding clasp, with the Rolex crown symbol on it, which makes a satisfying click. Not only does it look stunning, but the Datejust 16013 is built to last. With a scratch-resistant sapphire crystal and a waterproof oyster case, it's designed for resilience. Powering this beauty is Rolex's reliable caliber 3035 movement, which features a quick set date function and a robust 42-hour power reserve. The 28,800 vibrations per hour give it a smooth sweeping second hand, and the 48 power reserve ensures this watch keeps ticking even if it's off your wrist for a couple of days. It's no wonder this model is loved by everyone, from celebrities like Tom Cruise to everyday watch enthusiasts. The two-tone design and classic Rolex craftsmanship make it a statement piece for any collection. The Datejust model has been integral to Rolex's lineup since 1945. The 16013 model, introduced in the 1970s, was a milestone that incorporated two-tone luxury into the Datejust collection. This model style reflects the aesthetics and craftsmanship of its era, solidifying its status as a prized vintage collectible. Its popularity has been boosted by its appearance in pop culture and its association with iconic figures, making it an aspirational piece. When it comes to value, the Rolex Datejust 16013 has maintained strong demand among vintage collectors. To wrap it up, the Rolex Datejust 16013 is a piece of horological history. From the precise caliber 3035 movement to the versatility of its two-tone design, this model offers everything that makes Rolex iconic. It's a watch that combines durability with elegance, making it a perfect choice for those who value both craftsmanship and style. So, if you are considering adding a timeless piece to your collection, the Rolex Datejust 16013 is hard to beat. Whether you are a seasoned collector or new to the world of luxury watches, this model offers a rich history and look that never goes out of style. That's it for today, and thanks for joining us for this review. Don't forget to subscribe for more luxury watch reviews and unboxings, and drop a comment if you are a fan of vintage Rolexes or have questions about the Datejust 16013. My name is Raghav, signing out from The Watch Collector. Until next time, keep ticking.